Hi everyone, I'll try and catch you up very quickly on where we are. After being in Joshua Tree about 8 times this year, we purchased 4 properties, 2 of which have recreational cabins on them that need severe renovations. We're in the process of designing this one. We're going to renovate first, called the Becker Cabin.
Okay, back to the Becker Cabin. Oh yeah, look at that. It's real easy to get in now. Quick update, guys. This is what the cabin looks like right now. Glass wall, door to another bedroom when we finally build it. Big picture window here, big picture window here. Kitchen across this area with a small window over the sink. Sunsets over this way, sunrise over this way, and we've got this big beautiful mountain that we stare at. And it was a nice night, peaceful. When the clouds broke, the stars were beautiful, the Milky Way straight over the top of us. And we just like this property more and more. There's a water line, mystery line, no idea where this thing goes. But I dug down and I found that the water line comes here, here, and I was able to find it all the way out to here. As you can see, and it looks like it just goes off toward the street. There's no drawings, there's no records of any water lines. The city main is over at the street, so who knows? We're discovering things as we go. Fortunately, it was sand and not rock and dirt, so it was pretty easy to dig up. So we're getting ready to take off to Big Bear. So we're going to go check out that area, which is a mountainous area, high enough to get pretty good snow above Los Angeles. And that's where a lot of people go. And it's only supposed to be maybe an hour from here, from where we are. So that's what we're going to do today. Come along with us. Let's check it out. Everybody, we are in Big Bear, and we saw that there's some kind of market we're going to pull over, but we just went up over this incredible pass from Lucerne Valley into Big Bear. I couldn't believe the altitude that we gained. We're at about 6,700 feet right now, but we left the desert floor at 3,000, and you got up to this level in just 35 or 40 minutes, if that tells you how steep it was. This is a cool little area. We're in a mountain town called Big Bear. Yeah, this looks like a great little market. Oh yeah, that is nice. I really like that. An alligator.
It's for you, King.
What is it? Oh my God. You freak. That's kind of cool. Put that in the van. Yeah.
It's like 1 hour from where we are.
It's a little cloudy, but that's okay. That's okay. We can handle the cloudy. And I am digging my alfalfa hair up there. Well, it's lunchtime. This is such a difference. In 1 hour and 12 minutes, we'll be back at the cabin. And look at this. We're on a mountain lake. There's some areas, I think it's called Boulder Cove, on Big Bear Lake. It's absolutely beautiful. What a beautiful park. You can get so far back away from the crowded places, and then there are granite boulders and giant conifers. This is literally an hour from hardcore desert. That's what's the beauty of here in California. Just another 2-3 hours or less, 2 hours actually, you're at the ocean. Ocean, city, mountains, alpine areas, lakes, desert, all within about 2.5 hours. Complete difference in temperature. Gosh, I bet it's 75 degrees right here, and then down at Landers it's probably 90. We've been down in the Joshua Tree area for about 4 days, and it's just been great seeing different properties, enjoying sunrises and sunsets, looking at our Becker Cabin right here that we've got some plans, talking with an architect, so we're going to see what can be done with this cabin and what makes the most sense for basically a site plan for this acreage right here. So more on that to come. Today we take off, and we have a good 8 hours to drive today. We're going to get up into either Arizona or Utah on our way to Colorado. So come along with us. Colorado is going to be a great trip. You're going to meet some really cool people. Thank you for watching, and hit our subscribe if you like our channel, and we will see you next time on the road with Heath and We Adventures.